Okay, listen here. In that way, we completed our first lesson, beautiful flowers. Lesson length number പഠിച്ചത്. What did we learn in this first lesson? To identify the flowers, അല്ലേ? Flowers ne identify ചെയ്യാൻ പഠിച്ചില്ലേ? Yes. Then you have to study all the spelling of these words to the next class. Okay, then take the next lesson. Take the next lesson. Be a word maker. Be a word maker. Sorry.
Be a word maker.
That's our second lesson.
The first letter of the name of each picture is given. Rearrange the letters to make a new word. Write the word.
Okay, മനസ്സിലായോ? In our second lesson, we can see there are 4 columns. 4 columns ഉണ്ട് അല്ലേ? In the first column, we can see there are 4 pictures. Okay, 4 pictures and its starting letter. It's also having the starting letter അല്ലേ? 4 picture ഉണ്ട്. ആ 4 pictureന്റെയും starting letter അവിടെ കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. First one, lion. First picture is lion. So the starting letter L is there. Then book. B is there. Then mango. Our third picture is mango. The first letter of mango is there, M. The last one, apple. The fourth picture is apple, A is there. Then through that words, through that words we made a word, new word, that is lamb. L for lion, A for apple, M for mango, and B for book. ഈ പിക്ചേഴ്സിന്റെ ഒക്കെ ഫസ്റ്റ് ലെറ്റർ കൂട്ടിച്ചേർത്തപ്പോൾ ഒരു വേർഡ് ആയിട്ടുണ്ട്, ദാറ്റ് ഇസ് lamb, LAMB, lamb. Okay, that is the new word. Then look at the next picture, next column. What is the first picture in the second column? Sinan, what is the first picture in the second column?
Life. Fish.
That is lamb. Yes, LAMP, lamb. Okay. Then which is the second picture? Which is the second picture, Muhammad Razi? Which is the second picture in the second column? What is this? Do you know what is this? Listen here. Listen here. Rezi, I'm talking to you. Okay. Do you know what picture is this? Idariya Mandu picture anannu.
Yes.
Yes. Then what is that?
Leaf.
Eagle. Okay. Can you hear me? Miss പറയുന്ന കേൾക്കുന്നുണ്ടോ മോനെ?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. നല്ല മോനായിട്ട് മിസ് പറയുന്ന കേട്ടിരുന്നേ, വർത്താനം പിന്നെ പറയാം കേട്ടാ. Okay. Then third picture. What is this? Jelmaria Jomon. What is this?
Aeroplane.
Okay, this is aeroplane. Okay. ഞാൻ ചോദിച്ചത് ഇതല്ലായിരുന്നു. It's okay. That is aeroplane. Then what is this, Fatima Meherin?
Fish.
Fish. Okay. First picture is lamb. So L is there. L is the first letter of lamb. Lamb is there. L is there. Second one, eagle. The first letter of eagle is E. E is there. Then third one, F. F. That is a fish. The first letter of fish is F. F is there. The last one, aeroplane. Which is the first letter of aeroplane? That is A. Okay, then we have to make a new word here. And the new word L is here. L ഇവിടെ എഴുതിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഇനി ഈ 1, 2, 3 ഈ 3 ലെറ്റർ മാത്രമേ വേണ്ടൂ അല്ലേ ഇഫ്ര? Do you know what is that?
Leaf.
Very good. Write the leaf. What is the spelling of leaf? L. L is there. E A F. Write there. L E A F. L is there. L കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ട്. L കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് എന്താ എഴുതണ്ടേ? Next one. E A F.
F.
What is the spelling of leaf?
L E A F. Leaf.
Okay. L E A F leaf. Okay. Okay then. Thank you, Fra. Next. Next one. Third column. What are the pictures that you can see in the third column, Dominic? What is this? Which picture is this?
Umbrella.
That is umbrella. Okay, that's enough. Okay, that's enough, Mone. Next, who is here? Christy Libin. What is the next picture? What is this? Can you say? Then the Christy. Okay, cat. That is cat. The next one, Eric Augustine. What is this?
Egg.
Egg. Okay, very good. Next. Shifana AG. What is this last one?
Balloon.
Balloon. Okay. Okay, can you make a word from these letters? Aniha? Anihiki, idu vechittu oru word undakkan pattumo? Yes. Okay. Tell me, what is that?
Cube.
Cube. Very good. That is cube. Right there. C is there. U B E. Cube. Right there. U B E. Then it became cube. C U B E cube. C U B E cube. Okay. Cube. Unmute cheyyoo karime. Eric Augustine. Okay, then last column. In the last column, we can see many pictures are there. No, 4 pictures are there. Then what is the first picture, Alan Thomas? Can you say?
Igloo.
Igloo. Very good. The first picture is igloo. Then what is this?
Tiger.
Okay. ഞാൻ ചോദിക്കാം. Giba, which is the next picture?
Tiger.
Tiger. Okay. ഞാൻ ചോദിക്കുന്നത് മാത്രമേ പറയണ്ടൂ. Next, Anshi, what is the third picture?
Goat.
Who is there?
God.
God. Okay.
God.
Okay, Mr. കേട്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്. Third picture is God. The last one. What is the last one? Aflu. What is the last one? Okay, what is that, Nafi? Fan. Okay. Okay, then. I is there, T is there, G is there, then last one F is there.
Gift.
Yes, that is gift. എന്തായിരുന്നു Nafi? Gift. Very good. Okay, the word became gift. Right there, G is already is there. Then G-I-F-T, gift. G-I-F-T, gift. Okay, gift. G-I-F-T, gift. G-I-F-T, gift.
Gift. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
That.
Who is unmute there? Are unmute? Okay. That's why okay. In that way, we completed 2 lessons of GK. Beautiful flowers and be a word maker. Be a word maker. I'm not going to take the 3rd lesson today. And മൂന്നാമത്തെ lesson ഇപ്പൊ എടുക്കുന്നില്ല ട്ടോ. Okay. That's enough for today. കുറച്ച് പഠിച്ചിട്ട് പോവാം ട്ടോ. Who will read this first lesson? ആരെ വായിക്കും ഒന്നാമത്തെ lesson? Who will read this first lesson? Okay, Amanna. Read the first lesson.
Beautiful flowers.
Okay.
Fancy.
Look at the flowers. Read the question also. We cannot hear Amanna. ഒന്നും കേൾക്കുന്നില്ലല്ലോ മുത്തേ. Malavika, read the first chapter.
For flowers. Look at the flowers. Circle the correct names. Fancy. Hibiscus. Lily. Sunflower. Lotus.
Okay. Then read the second chapter, Anagha Suresh.
Be
a word maker.
Be a word maker. Lamb. Leaf. Cube. Gift.
എവിടെയാ മുത്തേ കിട്ടാത്തത്? അനഘ, she is also facing a range problem there. Then read the second lesson, Rishikesh. No, I cannot hear. Please unmute yourself first.
Be a word maker. First letter of the name of each letter is given. Rearrange the letters to make a new word. Write the word. Lamb. Leaf. Cube.
Last one, gift. Okay. Then Kurian, read the first lesson. Read the first lesson. Kurian Joseph, can you hear me? Kurian, no range. Then next, Anson.
Fancy.
Yes, read it.
Tulip.
No,
Lily.
hibiscus. The second answer is hibiscus. No. The second answer is hibiscus, not tulip. Okay. Okay, leave it. Then you should study the spelling of these words. Second chapter, എന്ത് ചെയ്യേണ്ടതെന്ന് അറിയാമോ? Second chapter, write the heading of be a word maker. Be a word maker. Then write the words lamb, then leaf, cube, and gift. Study the spelling of all these words. Okay. In all words in spelling പഠിക്കുക. Okay. Can you write all these pictures name? First one, lion, book, mango, apple. Write like that. അങ്ങനെ എഴുതിക്കോട്ടാ. Lion spelling എഴുതുക, book, mango, apple. Then lamb, eagle, fish, aeroplane. Umbrella, cat, egg, and balloon. Igloo, tiger, god, and fan. ഒറ്റ പ്രാവശ്യം എഴുതിയാൽ മതി. നോട്ട്ബുക്കിൽ ഒരു പ്രാവശ്യം എഴുതിയാൽ മതി. ഫസ്റ്റ് ലെസൺ ഒരു പേജിൽ മാത്രം എഴുതിയാൽ മതി. ഓക്കെ, ഒരു ലെസൺ ഒരു പേജിൽ മാത്രം എഴുതിയാൽ മതി. സെക്കൻഡ് ലെസൺ is in the second page. Okay, second lesson second പേജിൽ ഉണ്ടാവണം. And you should study all the spellings. Okay, on the next class you will be having a dictation. Next class ഒരു ഡിക്റ്റേഷൻ ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കും കേട്ടോ. ഓക്കെ, ഇത്രയും വേർഡ്സിന്റെ ഒരു ഡിക്റ്റേഷൻ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഉണ്ടാകും. So you should study. Okay, then I have to take your attendance. You have to say present teacher. Okay, first one, Ajit Joseph. Ajit Joseph.
Teacher.
Ajit Joseph present പറയണേ, മിസ് കാണുന്നില്ല കേട്ടോ. Ajit Joseph.
Present miss.
Okay, present.
Present miss.
Present.
Teacher.
Then Alil Thomas. Amanna Rajesh. Anagha Suresh.
Present miss. Present.
Okay, Anita Philip. Aniha Mohan. Anshi Radish. Anson K. Ajit. Christy Libin. Dominic Biju. Eric Augustine.
Present miss. Present miss.
Okay. Fatima Mehrin KP. Hannah Rose. Sorry, Hannah Varghese.
Present miss.
Okay.
Present miss.
Iba Fatima. Ifra. Jewel Maria Jomon. Kaushik. Kaushik. He is absent today. Kaushik absent.
Yes.
Okay. Then Kurian Joseph,
Miss.
Malavika, Nafi, Sinan, Aflu, Shahzad.
Present.
Shahzad.
സെക്കൻഡ് ലെസൺ നോട്ടിലേക്ക്
എഴുതണം പറഞ്ഞല്ലോ മിസ്, ഒരു പ്രാവശ്യം പറഞ്ഞു തന്നതല്ലേ. 2 ലെസൺ നോട്ടിലേക്ക് എടുത്ത് എഴുതണം. കേട്ടില്ല. ഷിഫാന ഏജി, സിറ്റ് പ്രോപ്പർലി. I can hear. Say once more.
Teacher.
ക്ലിയർ ആവുന്നില്ല. 1 minute. ഞാൻ അറ്റൻഡൻസ് എടുത്ത് തീർത്തോട്ടെ. ഓക്കെ ഷഹസാദ്. Then Muhammad T, Rishikesh, Binya Binoy, Advait. Then Shifana AG, Tessa Maria, and Muhammad Razin. Okay. Then do you have any doubt?
No.
No.
Yeah.
Okay, then I am going to wind up our class. Okay, bye.
Thank you, Miss. Bye. Thank you, Miss. Thank you, Miss. Thank you, Miss.
Words in chapter 1 and 2.
Thank you, Miss.
ഒന്നാമത്തെ രണ്ടാമത്തെയും ചാപ്റ്ററിലെ എല്ലാ വേർഡ്സും സ്പെല്ലിംഗ് പഠിച്ചിരിക്കുക. ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ ബൈ.
ടീച്ചറെ
ആരെ അറ്റൻഡൻസ് വിളിക്കാത്തത്?
ടീച്ചറെ
കേട്ടില്ല, ആരെ വിളിക്കാത്തത്?
കുര്യൻ.
ഓക്കെ അറ്റൻഡൻസ് മിസ് ഇട്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഓക്കെ
കുര്യൻ.